Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Lenovo Tab M10 tablet. In this video, you will learn how to turn off location services in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. First of all, in your tablet, go to the settings. Go to settings. Then go to location. Go to location. And here, just to turn off this button, use location. Already in my case it is turned on so that location services is used. Okay, if you would like to turn off location services, just you got to make sure that this button is turned off. Okay, and then yes, go to the home page and location services is completely turned off. Also you can turn off using notification area. Just go to the notification area and here you will find the location icon. Okay, as of now it is turned off because just now I have turned off location. Okay, suppose if it is turned on like this, then if you would like to turn off, just press on location icon in the notification area here, then it will turn off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off location services in your tablet Lenovo Tab M10. That's all friends. Thanks for watching.
Bye.